Hello guys, welcome back to As Institute. Today topic why is important English language. My dear guys, I would like to discuss about this topic. Topic is very most important. It is very amazing. Why is important English language? So actually, my dear guys, English language is very most important. As you know that because in this time in everything is related, everything is making to articles and yeah everything is you read and anywhere. So in English language, yeah if you are going anywhere, so firstly you read the and only title on the wall because in this time we are writing in English language. So in this time just and English is very most important. English is a not subject. English is a language. So firstly we should learn this language. If you learn this language, so you can improve yourself, improve your confidence, improve your ability. Firstly, if you learn English language, so get easily a job. You can if you learn English language, so firstly you can crack anywhere interview very easily. Third things, if you learn English language, so you can build your confidence. Fourth things, if you learn English language, so you can speak with fluently in front of the audience. So English is very most important as a communication. This is a very most important tool improve your communication language. So firstly, if you want to and improve your communication skill, so we can grow ourselves, grow our personality, enhance ourselves. So firstly we must learn English language. English is very most important in this time, in the future time. So firstly, because as my personal experience, guys, every person wants to learn English language because this is a traditional language, this is a trending language. So if you learn English language, so you can read any description, you can run any startup, run your business. So firstly, English is very most important in this time. It's not important. It's a very long term growth in your career. If you want to grow in long term time, you should learn English language. I hope you will be understand this video. Guys, जय हिंद दोस्तों.